It's winter here, and the most uncomfortable part of riding in the mornings and the evenings is my fingertips freeze. So I've decided to get myself some HotGrips. I'm going to be installing these HotGrips on my 2017 Honda NC750. I've been advised that the Oxford Adventure grips will be more hard-wearing and much more comfortable over long trips than the sport grips would be. Now, one thing to note about the Adventure grips is that they're actually 10mm longer than the standard grips on the Honda NC. So you do have the option of trimming the end of the hot grip to match the length of your grip. Now, I really have no intention of cutting my new grips, and I actually want the extra length. So I'm making a plan with these extenders to elongate the length of my handlebars by those 10mm it needs to make them fit properly. Bear in mind that you are working on your throttle, so there is some danger involved there if you make an error. Now, before I start pulling grips off, I want to make sure this thing works. I'm just going to follow the existing cables as much as possible. I'm just going to work a screwdriver under here to work this loose. Okay. Just make sure you get all the adhesive off. Honda's throttle grip comes with these protrusions on it. The Oxford grip doesn't make allowance for that, so I actually need to file these off and make the grip smooth. I filed the nylon almost all the way down, but if I can, I want to leave a little bit of key for the glue to hold on to. There's just a bit of rubber in here that I want to get out. I'm just going to test fit my bar ends. Nice. I found the right position for the throttle. Now I just need to glue it on, but I need to be quick about this so that it doesn't glue halfway. So, arrow it down. And the other side. Just going to heat shrink the connections to protect them from the elements a bit. Okay, that's tight. I'll just go on top, I think. Well, that took a good few hours to do, even with help. Thanks, Craig. But now it's done, and I'm really looking forward to using my new heated grips.